Hello everyone, and welcome back to Reboot 3, Gangs of Deadsville. Last time, we have finally established something of our government in our second city, and today we will be trying to ally both factions. Whether we'll succeed or not, I guess we'll see, but I'm gonna try my best to be peaceful. Alternatively... Nah, yeah, be peaceful. Why is there so many of you over here? Watchtowers, which you could instead of that, go ahead. Oh lord. Okay. How's our situation with you? 94%. Yeah, we still need some sort of a random event in order to get them to what's it called? Yes. Because apparently doing jobs for them isn't enough. Those are nice. Chris? I should probably inspect that Allmart while we're at it, right? 50 zombies, sure. Defensive building upgrade. And now one more research. Generation power. Oh lord. Okay. Those guys are done, so we can now move to over here. Use the defenses. We begin assimilating this area. Oh, there, what's going on over here? Cancelled by mob. Oh, come on. Oh, really? Man. Natural disaster of some sort, sure. Get this mob out of here. Thank you. Heal up the remaining zombies here, please. No, what's up with the thing here? What do we doing? What do we doing? Just one of the apartments. Don't really need them that much. Maybe we got scavenge. Nothing left. Let's scavenge over here and see if we can find something. Dangerous masses. Scavenge this area. There we go. That's all done now. Clear heart for some reason. Alright, because I sent researching first. Chop some wood. Oh, there we go, we got all the supplies we need now. We can go on ahead and assimilate. I completely forgot about defending this farm. There we go. We go on ahead and fill up the remaining zombies in here. And assimilate this area. Thank you. Yeah, so he's not being in the house. I think that's just great. I'm gonna need you. Yeah, thank you. Back, and there we go. Alright, we just go ahead and reclaim that onward so we can extract resource from that. Okay, that's 9. And it's over. There we go! Now the relic is enough. Factions. Great, yep, okay. Now we can converse. Meet with these guys. Sure, of course. Personal allegiance. There we go. Now we are allied to these guys. As for the loot date, I could eliminate the loot dates. I could. That will make it a whole lot faster. But what for? They done nothing wrong to me. Yeah, they done nothing wrong. We're gonna try and ally them every time. What do you mean that's yours? Fuck off. It's mine. I hope we are still allies. Wait, hold up. Can I check our statuses by the way? Pranks, food fights. I don't know whether we are still allied or not. It should be schooled. Okay, so lessons learned. Whenever we try to obtain anything that's near another faction, for some goofy reason they immediately have claims on it. Which is kind of fucking stupid, but okay. Learn some respect, children. We done came here. This our land. Make that up. Wait, they didn't actually read our allegiance talks. Did we actually ally or? Well, I'm gonna need to do talks again. I guess I didn't. But, oh yeah, we did. Now your respect has grown. I didn't actually read whether they accepted the allegiance or not. That's my bad. No, this is perfect now. Okay, that's my bad really. What's this? Allegiance. This barricade. Hold up. Right. I need to read up on this. Allegiance, either two factions into a lasting union. Yes. Oh, that's what we need to do. Okay. They grow up so soon. There we go. We got a new kid, and that's no longer a kid. For manure. 5, I guess. Alright. Oh, we have somebody recruit over here. I guess we don't have enough though. Wait, what threatens us? Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. No. Golly, the truck. Okay, you just learned in martyrdom. Send this kid into some field training as well. I'm assuming this area. And there we go. Alliance. We're allied. There we go. We're good friends now. Now the loot dice. Or do this. As you wish. What's the king Felix? Talk with them. Was in a philosophical mood, we all walked around their guns and discussed why we were building Apache and what the point of it all. It simply had different options of executing people safe for the basis of fighting the world. Seems like we should change ours. But it's a pretty big deal. It might upset people to make such fundamental policy changes because some other faction asked us to. Nah. You trust your brain. I ran all this today, and all I wanted to do was in full lecture mode today, like how TV and internet nearly destroyed our children. I made some dumb jokes, like thank God for zombies, which got his attention. He would talk to that kid Rufus from St. Michael's. I wanted to know what we learned. You don't believe him, do you? I bet his dad's home office is full of documents that could prove what really happened. Maybe even tell us how to find the cure. Who's got a point? He wants to come with us to investigate Rufus' old house in the suburbs, should we? Yeah, let's do it. No, attempted kidnapping. That's right. Old house in the suburbs, huh? I've seen this probably somewhere like that way. There we go, that's reclaimed. Scout out this area really quick. Our allies live here after all. Oh, their faction is actually pretty small. I think we are the biggest currently and probably the strongest as well while we're at it, right? Yes, a lot of caravan and now get us. We need to assault Gustav, man. We need to get rid of these capitalists. Very good attack. They done us nothing. Oh, that is no thank you. Let's look some more. Oh my goodness, the priority. We need a level 8 leader, hold up. What's your current status? 8, okay. Natics are gonna come personally and explain why we want. There we go. We can go on ahead and start preaching cavern here while you're at it. We could take on the fire department. No god. There we go. Epidemic treat them. Oh, now I see what got ruined from our farms. Nice, all good. Thanks for that. These guys finally decided to invade. But by the way, taking them longer and longer each time I feel like. There we go. Go on ahead and slaughter them out. Should invite him this way. Okay. Go on ahead and farm over here. Oh, oops. Go on that. We need you over here. And not just you. Go home, zombies. Get a job. Watch out this guy. I should have hired the medics. There's more than enough for that. Let's take TO then. There we go. Go on ahead and kill up some people over there. Investigate that area. And do the same here. We got quite the territory. That's good. That's really good. We should take control of that bridge. Okay. And should have less. Should have just killed her. Oh, I love it. Spread out a little bit so that I can use him efficiently. There we go, now that's a defense curve. Golly. That's expert advice. There we go. Should also go on ahead and build some more apartments. Should overall just start rebuilding this area. If you like. Yeah, that sounds like the right idea. What else? Some more apartments probably. They've done us nothing. We should approach this area. Kind of low on ammunition. We'll be fine. Oh, the houses all have different colors, that's cool. Okay, now we're gonna have to deal with getting into healing time, which might prove to be a bit of a challenge, but we'll manage. We should continue out to scout. First date. There we go. A factory of some sort. I hope they don't mind if we just take this over just one place, please, just one. Not more, not less. Just one tiny area. Oh, Lord have mercy upon our souls. The fucking sounds they make, dude. Like, oh my goodness, it's so funny. There we go, they accepted it now. Now that we're allies and everything. You know. And now we can take control of a bridge, which is probably a strategic place to have control of, right? Like treatment. We could use... probably a scavenger, right? Yeah, there we go. You just stay here defending. We talk to this guy. I'll go on ahead and slaughter the factory over there. You never think we could have. There we go. Did you take over this one? No? Well, now we're gonna. There we go. Field day with the river, with the leader. Oh, Lord have mercy! Good thing we got a bunch of Falk now. Forget it. Hmm. Okay, so they got a spot here now. Then having woods like this is pretty useful, not gonna lie. Pretty gosh darn useful. Oh, also you two can go ahead and keep building over here. Some more apartments and third chance. Second lab, maybe that does something? Probably not. No, hey, just in case, let's try. We have almost anything in supply at this point anyway, so you know. Yeah, that's true. There we go. Take the church as well. And we're gonna take the factory soon as well. Another factory probably right now. And take this area too while we're at it. Oh. Reclaim it after it. There we go. We are growing substantially, goodness gracious. This is some good growth we're doing right now. This is some really good growth. Oh lord, Snatix, you're gonna have to rest up. You're feeling very good. Get some materials from them. That's good. We should talk to the light somewhere while we're at it. Talk with them. Materials, sure. Like that was the easiest thing ever, really. We couldn't possibly ask for anything easier from us. More power needed. Okay. Fix the power. You go on ahead and join the defenses over there. And you do so as well, maybe? You help with the power then. There we go. Do we have anything new now, or is it just gonna be the same? Nothing after research, okay. That was kind of a waste, but okay. It's fine. Another one of these, maybe. That is resting up. Do a speech. Close marriage. Canada. Okay. Don't know why it's getting tricky right now. But alright. The principal power plant has been restarted. So we're now kind of have power now. That's great. Great news. There we go. Why are we doing kind of bad right now? What is going on? Power plants. Sure. Thief? You chase. There we go. Do you have anyone else who's like a good leader? Anyone? Anyone? Oh Lord have mercy, not a single born leader. Except Nats. Nats is great. Oh, whether we can start. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, you keep doing that. We need to slaughter these people away. Also, we need somebody to bartend for now. Yeah, do that. You take care of that. We're such a beautifully growing civilization. Amazing. Farm bonus. There we go. Oh, there's his mercy. Uh, take care of that issue. Oh, bartending actually helped us a lot. Wow. You can go on ahead and do that then. We could probably use building for bars then. Goddamn alcoholics. Your hand. And you take care of that. Oh my goodness, what is happening here? Might need some extra defense over here. Like this. There we go. Put this on handles. There we go. How's our relation with the Luddites? Okay, it's doing good. 70%. That's good, that's good. We can continue conversations soon. Sure. Oh, fuck. No, mistake. I see right conference, but that's not our conference. Sure. Have some money. Huh? We'll make around. Go and preach to the people. And you can bartend over here. Check the boomerang. Power plant parts produced. Goodness gracious, that's a mouthful. Not a mouthful, but that's a you get the idea. Oh, I forgot to take care of that. There we go. Research it first. Poisonous. Out. We'll be fine. We should do some population count. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah. No, don't mind that. That was that was just yeah. You know what I mean. Scouted. Scout some matter. There we go. Oh wow! I just realized that all these are growing rapidly, and I mean it's like rapidly. We can to eliminate the last zombies not out of here, and kind of secure our power plant while we're at it by getting it deeper into our territory. Yeah, sure, invite him to stay. Join the defense over here. We got a really nice growing city. That's really good. Take this over. Keep trying to attack us. But you failed miserably. Patch over. Talk to do this. There we go. There we go, that's reclaimed. We go on defense duty here. We take care of this area then. With the kid here. Go ahead and go from here. Found the hunting rifle, that's good. Kind of low on ammo. You defend this, we'll be fine. Defend. Let's take some rest from your duties. Y'all take over this, and okay, our power plant is semi-secured. We should probably take the school too while we're at it, right? Here and there. Sure. There we go. Paid off. Well, go on home, British soldiers, go on home. Okay, our territory is fairly integral, that's good, that's really good. There's something here. Oh my goodness, the loot is just pretty much controlling the whole area over there now. Good thing we got the bridge. A baby was formed. Hell yes. That's good, that's nice. Maybe we're gonna do some population control over here as well. Never mind. I'm gonna wait for them to assault first. Golly, the loodies are so strong though. Hold up, let me see their strength actually. Oh, they're actually not that strong. They're just huge. Defensive let's attack strategies. Go on ahead. Oh, go on ahead and take care of this. No. Maybe if we got a bunch of people together. No, that's not very. No, that's not very good. Okay. So some madman attacked us again. This kind of happens at this point. Yeah, just stay ready. I love the walls you made on the river, by the way. There we go. Now we can take this over. Where, who, what's going on? There we go. They break and stack. There are the medics. Yeah, all good. Nothing bad's happening. We're doing exceptionally good. I think it's just gonna be getting better from here. How you trying to attack us here? We're gonna absolutely squash those zombies together with the kids. Like, this is just like a locked off area where zombies still are under. Oh, never mind. Oh, we're actually in control of this number, I think. Unless we need to scout this area to update it. No, we don't. Oh, okay. Oh, it's there. Some wood facilities. Interesting. Oh, oops. Not working. Can reach you over to here to do some fishing. I imagine this is just like these two bridges are just kind of like checkpoints between all these factions. These got checkpoints with us and then M. It's probably quite tense over there. Or is it? Rubies are kind of friendly. They're kind of hippies, right? And stuff like that, so no, not so bad. What's the time on the video? Oh god, 43 minutes. But I think we're gonna try and ally undo this. But I think that could actually wait until the next time. Oh god, we got somebody. That's not good. That's not great. That's not amazing. It's not very colorful and things like that. What am I saying? I don't know. I'm kind of tired. Anyway, we managed to ally one faction. Tomorrow we're gonna ally the other. So yeah, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. God, this is a big civilization though.